Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to reset Instagram Explore page. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is open up the Instagram application, and at the bottom of the screen, you can see a little magnifying glass icon. Just tap on that, and this is the Instagram Explore page. So the thing is that there is no option to reset your Explore page on Instagram. But there are a couple of things that you can do to make the Instagram algorithm only show you things that you are interested in. The first thing that you want to do is tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your activity, so now what you want to do next is tap on interactions and then tap on likes, and it will show you all of the posts that you liked on Instagram. So go through these posts, and if you find something that you genuinely don't like and don't want to see similar posts like that, simply unlike it, and that will signal the Instagram algorithm to not show you posts similar to that. The second thing that you can do